Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Meet using Workspace step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Google Meet, meet.google.com. Press enter to navigate to the site. You will see the Google Meet homepage. Click on the sign in button located in the top right corner. If prompted, enter your Google Workspace email address. Click on the next button. Now, enter your password. Click on the next button again. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, follow the prompts to complete this process. Once signed in, you will be redirected back to the Google Meet homepage. You should now see your profile picture in the top right corner, indicating that you are logged in. To start a new meeting, click on the New Meeting button. If you want to join an existing meeting, click on the Enter an Access Code or Link option. Type in the meeting code or paste the link and click Join. Adjust your camera and microphone settings as needed before entering the meeting. Finally, click on the Join Now button to participate in the meeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.